Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to discuss how to add funds to Venmo. So of course, if you have the Venmo app or you're on the website and you have the account and you want to add funds to that, this video is for you. We're going to learn how to do that. So first method is linking a bank account or a debit card. So the first thing you want to do is of course open your Venmo app and then tap the manage balance button. So once you're there, you can add money. Choose your preferred source, whether you use a bank account or a debit card, and then you need to enter the required account or card information. Once you're done, you confirm the addition, and that's it. Money is in. So the second method you want to use is instant transfer from a linked debit card. Okay, so first step is open the Venmo app, and then you tap the manage balance button and add money, and you choose instant transfer and select your linked debit card. So probably 2, 3, 4 cards you've already linked to it. You can just tap whichever one it is you want to use and enter the amount you want to transfer and confirm the transfer. It's just to note, a small fee may apply, so you gotta take note of that. The third method, of course, is a standard transfer from a linked bank account. Okay, first step, open the Venmo app, then tap the manage balance button, add money, choose the standard transfer option and select your linked bank accounts. So whatever different accounts you already have and you already linked them with your Venmo, you can just tap that and make the transfer from there. So of course, enter the amount you want to transfer and confirm that. Now it says to note this method is free, but it may take 1 to 3 business days to process. So the other one is instant but a little fee, and here it's free but it may take longer. So speed or cost, whichever one you want to go for, you're pretty much free to do that. Now the third option is direct deposit. So first up, you open your Venmo app, tap the manage balance button and select direct deposit. So following the instructions to set up direct deposit from your employer or government benefits. So once you've already had that, you can just have the money come in from there. The fifth method is the Venmo card. Alright, so if you have a Venmo card, you can add funds to your Venmo balance by using the card to receive direct deposits or by loading cash at participating retailers. So these are 5 options for you to go with. So whichever one you want to use, you can use all that to send money to your Venmo accounts. Alright, so that's pretty much it for the video. Now if you like the video, please like, share, you can comment, tell me what you thought, and of course don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.